ingredient within the LabAroma ingredient library comes complete with an information sheet. Each ingredient will have a different level of detail on their information sheet depending on the ingredient type. You can view a wide array of information about each ingredient, including botanical identifying characteristics, a safety note if any, conservation information, as well as therapeutic properties. Where there is information on the synergy, evidence, and energetics of an ingredient, that information will be provided. Synergy is information that serves to identify potential synergistic interactions between essential oils which could help to inform blend construction. Evidence is information that serves to provide you with clinical data, research studies, and practical clinical information to support the therapeutic effectiveness of ingredients. Energetics is information which serves to give you an insight into the energetic possibilities of essential oils. Essential oil and extract information sheets provide chemical breakdown information for that ingredient. You can also see a complete chemical breakdown highlighting data on the chemical compounds within an ingredient. You can also see the scent note for the ingredient, as well as the ingredient's physical and psychological rankings. This gives you an indication as to how this ingredient may affect the body and mind. You can view ingredient notes and files if any are listed. Within each ingredient sheet, you can do a quick compare ingredient search. You can duplicate any LabAroma ingredient if you would like to create a version of that ingredient with your own information. These duplicated ingredients will be stored within the My Ingredients section of your account. By selecting the downward arrow, you can download or print this information sheet.